இதுவும் கடந்து போகும். இந்த தாரக மந்திரம் தான் நமக்கு தேவை. Swami Dayananda Saraswati says, "Oh Lord, give me the frame of mind that totally accepts." அதுதான் நானும் வேண்டுவது.
Do not panic, just relax. Keep smiling.
Always be happy.
This is pandemic, so we should stay healthy and fit. So we best eat good food, greens, lot of vegetables, lot of fruits, and reduce our deep fried and sugar items.
Hello, I'm Vatsala Pai. Read all authentic news from trusted sources. Build your immunity by taking natural foods like fruits and vegetables. Avoid all animal products. Be kind to humans, animals and birds and offer some food and water to all. Be fearless and cheerful. Thank you all.
Be stress-free, be balanced. God bless you all.
Yes, indeed, our body is an asset. We have to respect it by nourishing and cherishing it. We can involve ourselves in physical activities, mental activities, and spiritual activities and keep it alert. Physical to the extent we can, mental by reading some good books and associating ourselves with some knowledgeable people, and spiritual, of course, prayers and listening to discourses and reading our old scriptures. So love your body, it's God's gift to us.
I'm Ramani. Good evening to all of you. Happy Independence Day. Exercise regularly. Let fitness be our mantra. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to all of you. I request all Asianites to strictly follow social distancing. This will help us to stay safe. Thank you.
வேக்சின் கண்டுபிடிக்கிற வரையிலையும் மாஸ்க் போட்டுக்கிறேன்னு அதுதான் வேக்சின். இது நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும் எல்லாரும்.
எல்லாரும் கண்டிப்பாக மாஸ்க் போட்டுக்கோங்க, வெளியில் வச்சு கையில் க்ளவுஸ் போட்டுக்கோங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் தனி மனித இடைவெளின்னு இருக்குது, அந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸை கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். கூடுமான வரை வீட்டிலேயே இருங்க. வெளியில் வந்தால் கண்டிப்பாக இந்த மாஸ்க் போட்டுக்காமல் வரவே கூடாது. நீங்கள் காட் பிளஸ் யூ. இதை நல்லபடியாக சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கலாம்.
I'm Padmini, resident of D11 in Ashiana. It is almost 5 months since this COVID scare has started. And staying calm is very, very important, because along with the disease, what has spread is bad news, fake news, alarming news, which have been very worrying. How do we keep calm? I personally believe we should have good vibrations at home, listen to good music, anything which pleases us, which has a soothing effect on our minds, because these things help us have a very balanced, practical approach towards everything. And I also feel we must stay away from the phone for at least a few hours per day, not reading the messages. So this is my only message.
Well, how do you feel about being at home during the COVID times?
It has not been very easy so far, and
You're missing
more
your
and
friends?
more.
You're missing your friends?
Yeah. You are missing my friends, you are missing other very oldies who have been with us, and we are yet to know how we can tackle this subject.
Okay. Thank you. Amma, what do you feel?
Hello. My mama and myself, we get so bored since 6 months. We are at home. We used to go down daily and meet friends, but nowadays we miss, but we have no other except sitting at home. We have nothing to do. So we have to practice this social distance, wearing mask and all that. children also must do like this for some more days, so that we can spend our new year 2021 better than this Independence Day. We have started with Independence Day. So please, everybody should wear mask and keep the social distance. Please maintain it.
பத்மா ராமச்சந்திரன் E14லேருந்து பேசுகிறேன். இந்த கோவிட் சமயத்தில் நம்ம எல்லாருமே மாஸ்க் நிச்சயமாக போட்டு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எல்லாம் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணி கூடிய வரையிலும் எங்கேயும் வெளியில் போகாமல் நம்மளோட யங்கர் ஜென்ரேஷன்ஸ்க்கு நம்மளே ஒரு ரோல் மாடலாக இருந்து அவளை கைட் பண்ணணும். கவர்மெண்ட் ரூல்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தா கூட நம்ம கேர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கணும். ஆசியானா குரூப் ரொம்பவே நல்லா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. அவளுக்கு நம்ம கோஆப்ரேட் பண்ணி இந்த கோவிட்லேருந்து மீள்றதுக்கு நம்ம ஆஞ்சநேயர் நிச்சயமாக காப்பாற்றுவாங்க. எல்லாரையுமே பகவானை ப்ரே பண்ணிட்டு இந்த கோவிட்லேருந்து நம்ம உலகம் முழுக்க சந்தோஷமாகவும் சுபிட்சமாகவும் கூடிய சீக்கிரத்தில் வந்துடும். எல்லாரும் ப்ரே பண்ணிப்போம். ஓகே, ஜெயஹிந்த்.
You don't have to be a trained dancer or a musician. Just put the music that touches your soul and keep moving. Motion is dancing. And then at the end of it, you feel very refreshed and it's very rejuvenating. This is the mantra for the day. Thank you.
Hello, namaste. And meditation helps the body, mind, intellect align so that they become stress-free. The shortest and the best meditation I can think of is, after taking baths, sit in front of the Lord, relax, breathe slowly, and think of all the beautiful things that you have since your birth, and express your sense of gratitude, intense gratitude to the Lord, and feel happy about it, rather than worrying about what you don't have. That way your mind becomes calm and quiet and peaceful and serene. Thank you.
Hello everybody. This situation is a very difficult one. I mean, we have been very clearly instructed that we have to wear a mask when we go out and sanitize our hands whenever we touch anything, and we come back also we do the same thing, and we always keep a distance wherever we go with others so that we will not be able to spread it. Okay?
Happy Independence Day to everyone in Ashiana.
Good morning, we are Usha and Sukumaran from G16. Happy Independence Day to all of you. During this COVID time, please explore the new talents of your children and make them practice that. That way you can manage the COVID situation in a very useful way. And it's a very rare opportunity for all the members to be together during this time. Make use of it properly. And
we can also teach them the spiritual values, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. This is Ramakrishna and Haima of D13 Ashiana. We are among the older groups of older pairs in Ashiana, and we would like to take this opportunity of sharing with you our thought that as older people, we have to set examples of conforming to the new norm under COVID, so that all others in Ashiana, which is a very disciplined colony, will follow. So these are difficult times. We exhort everyone to be disciplined as they have been so far and follow the rules prescribed by the association. Thank you.
If we want to get back to the old normal, we then need to accept the new normal with a sense of responsibility and gratitude. While enjoying whatever freedom we have got back, let us be responsible in following all the safety measures, and let us take the responsibility of educating our helpers on the importance of being careful. And let us accept the new normal by being grateful to God that we are all very comfortably off compared to the millions of people who are going through unbearable suffering. Let us never hereafter take anything for granted and value the blessings we have all been showered with. Thank you.
Stay safe, be happy.
God bless Ashiana.